Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15 device, and in this video let's discuss face recognition for notification privacy. So this smart notification hiding feature, that is how it's called, it uses your saved face data to enhance notification privacy. So the principle is, if the front camera on your phone detects a face that is not yours, it will automatically hide the content of the notification. So let's enable it. Let's go to settings, and you want to make sure that your face unlock is set. If not, you should go to security and privacy, and then let's go to device unlock section, and from here find face and fingerprint unlock, and then you want to add your face. So tap here, and then you'll be prompted to scan your face, and this way you will add your face ID. Okay, so let's enable smart notification hiding feature. Let's go back to main page of settings, and you want to go to section notifications and quick settings. Now here go to more settings, and from the list of more settings you want to go to smart notification hiding. Of course, turn it on, and then your phone asks you to enroll your face. You want to press this enroll button, and then you will be asked to scan your face once again. Okay, so that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.